अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सेल्फ करेक्टिंग क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स के बारे में विद इन रीच। सेल्फ करेक्टिंग क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स विद इन रीच। चलें जी, वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। हार्वर्ड टीम्स मेथड ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग एरर्स टैकल्स मेजर बैरियर टू स्केलिंग अप टेक्नोलॉजी। Quantum computers promise to reach speeds and efficiencies impossible for even the fastest supercomputers of today. Yet the technology has not seen much scale up and commercialization, largely due to its inability to self correct. Quantum computers, unlike classical ones, cannot correct errors by copying encoded data over and over. Scientists had to find another way. Now, a new paper in Nature illustrates a Harvard quantum computing platform's potential to solve the long-standing problem known as quantum error correction. Leading the Harvard team is quantum optics expert Mikhail Lukin, the Joshua and Beth Friedman University professor in physics and co-director of the Harvard Quantum Initiative. The work reported in Nature was a collaboration among Harvard, MIT, and Boston-based Cura Computing. Also involved was the group of Marcus Grenier, the George Westmer Leverett Professor of Physics. An effort spanning the last several years, the Harvard platform is built on an array of very cold, laser-trapped rubidium atoms. Each atom acts as a bit or a qubit, as it's called, the quantum word, which can perform extremely fast calculations. The team's chief innovation is configuring their neutral atom array to be able to dynamically change its layout by moving and connecting atoms. This is called entangling in physics parlance. Mid computation operations that entangle pairs of atoms, called 2-qubit logic gates, are units of computing power. Running a complicated algorithm on a quantum computer requires many gates. However, these gate operations are notoriously error-prone, and a build-up of errors renders the algorithm useless. In the new paper, the team reports near flawless performance of its 2-qubit entangling gates with extremely low error rates. For the first time, they demonstrated the ability to entangle atoms with error rates below 0.5%. In terms of operation quality, this puts their technology's performance on par with other leading types of quantum computing platforms like superconducting qubits and trapped ion qubits. However, Harvard approach has major advantages over these competitors due to its large system size, efficient qubit control, and ability to dynamically reconfigure the layout of atoms. We have established that this platform has low enough physical errors that you can actually envision large-scale error-corrected devices based on neutral atoms, said first author Simon Everard, a Harvard Griffin Graduate School of Arts and Science students in Lukin's group. Our error rates are low enough now that if we were the group atoms together into logical qubits, where information is stored non-locally among the constituent atoms, this quantum error corrected logical qubits could have even lower errors than the individual atoms. The Harvard team advances are reported in the same issue of Nature as other innovations led by former Harvard graduate student Jeff Thompson, now at Princeton University, and former Harvard postdoctoral fellow Manuel Anders, now at California Institute of Technology. Taken together, these advances lay the groundwork for quantum error corrected algorithms and large scale quantum computing. All of this means quantum computing on neutral atom arrays is showing the full breadth of its promise. जी तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। फिर मिलेंगे किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।